We're driven very, very much by our mission and vision, which we refer to as part of our legacy, our founder's legacy, if you will. Our mission is to make life more rewarding and dignified for people that use our products and services. As our newest manufacturing facility, this is one of the places that we manufacture those high-quality, unique products and provide them to our customers and help make their life more rewarding and dignified.
Final tipping point for Hollister locating in Lithuania was that we felt the Lithuanian culture and the Hollister culture fit very well together.
I've been very pleased with the Lithuanian people, the associates and the Lithuanian people. They value education, they tend to be innovative, they tend to be hardworking, they tend to keep promises, and these are the kind of things that fit well with our culture.
What surprised me about Lithuania the most was really the integration of the business environment, the government support, the educational system, and there was a partnership among the various functions and areas. People did and meant to do what they said they were going to do.
So we're just starting off manufacturing here, and we'll be growing very, very quickly over the next few years. We will be doing both ostomy and continence care products here. So in probably 5 years' time, this will be one of our most significant manufacturing operations globally.
Great things come in small packages, and that's exactly what Lithuania was for us. And we've been here now, we're up and running, and we've made our first shipments, and it's proved to be true. Good things come in small packages, and that's Lithuania.